While talking about functions, we have to think about one more function, what we call that signum function. It's an interesting function. Why it is interesting? After looking at its range, you will come to know that why this function is different than others. It is again a function, real valued function. So it is from R to R, whose domain is real number and codomain is also real number. As you know that domain R can be divided in a different groups or intervals. Suppose this is a domain, entire domain R. Here we have 0. All the numbers to the right of 0 are called positive real numbers. All the numbers to the left of 0 called negative real numbers. How can I represent this right side? 0 onwards. 0 onwards we can say x is strictly greater than 0. What we call the left side of the 0? X is strictly less than 0. And what about at exact 0? X equals to 0. So like this, I can divide this domain entire R. R is a real number. It is entire R is a domain of R function. But we have divided this domain in 3 parts. One is towards the left of 0. Second is exactly 0, and third is towards the right of 0, means positive, negative and 0. What happens if these domains are splitted in 3 parts? So your signum function is defined as f of x. So we will divide this domain in 3 parts. What is the image if x is positive? What is the image if x is exactly 0? And what is the image if x is negative? So splitting of domain in 3 parts. X ka image, it is 1. Whenever x is positive, image is always 1. Whenever x is 0, image is 0. And whenever x is negative, image of all negative number is minus 1. So what is the domain in this case? Domain is the entire R, which is divided in 3 parts, first, second and third. But what about range? Range having just 3 numbers. So in range 1, 0 and minus 1. So like that, because of its range contain only 3 elements, whereas domain is entire R. That's why this function is quite interesting. Now look at here, we'll try to draw graph of this. I will take 0. What is the image of 0? As for this criteria, whenever x is 0, image is 0. Here is a point. For any positive number, image is always, if I take a positive number 1, image is 1. If I take positive number 2, image is again 1. So whatever, for all positive real numbers, not only integral, if I take 2.5, then image is 1. For entire all the positive number, image is always 1. What about negative? If x is less than 0, the image remains negative 1. Means for minus 1, image is negative 1. For minus 2 or negative 2, image is negative 2. For negative 3, image is negative 3. So like that, for negative 4, image is negative 1. So for whatever negative numbers, images are always negative 1. So if I draw this graph, it would be like this, and here it is like this. So it forms a step, this and this. So such function is called signum function. This is a graph of signum function.